Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks. In today's video, we're taking a look at two strong buy stocks in the financial sector. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at two bank stocks that come in with a strong buy rating from analysts and as a bonus also pay a healthy dividend. We found these stocks using the TipRanks Stock Screener. With the screener, we're looking for upside in the double digits, plus a dividend yield, a smart score, and we're looking for strong buy consensus from analysts. And from that criteria, there were two stocks that caught my eye, starting off with JP Chase. Their stock trades under the ticker JPM, currently priced at about $128 per share. They are up slightly this past year, seeing more growth of about 19% in the last 6 months, but cooling off 9% this last 3 months. With a market cap of $378 billion, they also have a beta of 0.97, so just slightly below market volatility. Now, JP Chase is one of the world's largest, oldest, and best-known financial institutions. Founded back in 1799 from one of their well-known heritage firms, J.P. Morgan and Chase Manhattan Bank, they're built on over 1,200 predecessor institutions that have merged together over the years. The bank now has over 275,000 employees across the world, serving 66 million U.S. households with total assets of $3.7 trillion. And like many great banks, the company also pays a very healthy dividend. With a payment date coming up on April 30th, JP Chase pays a dividend of $1 per quarter. That comes out to a dividend yield of 3.11%, well ahead of the sector average, and a healthy payout ratio of 33%. JP Chase's next earnings report is coming out tomorrow on April 14th, so we'll be getting an update really soon. Analysts are anticipating earnings per share of $3.41, a healthy increase over last year. Looking at our history of returns, they have beat the last couple and did have a couple misses back in 2022, but hopefully we have no bad surprises tomorrow. The bank is also fairly well known amongst investors.
Well, 2.4% of all portfolios on TipRanks hold the stock. When we look at top investors, that goes up to 3.9%. Their best investors allocate about 4.7% to the JPM stock, and we've seen a slight increase this past month.
Now, with their earnings report coming out tomorrow, many analysts will be waiting to see those results before reiterating price targets, but we still have seen several weigh in lately. Currently, the JP Chase stock comes in as a strong buy based on 15 current analyst ratings. That breaks down to 12 buy ratings and 3 holds. With an average price target of $151, the average upside would be 18% from current prices. The most recent rating came in just yesterday from 5-star analyst Jason Goldberg. He gives the stock an upside of 39%. Now we have several from the last month ranging from 2 to 20% upside, and beyond that, many are 3 months old, so we'll expect to see these reiterated following that next report. For our second bank stock, we're moving north of the border to Bank of Montreal, but don't worry, they do trade on the U.S. market as well. Their stock trades under the ticker BMO, currently priced at $90 per share. Now they are down 17% this past year, but have been climbing back over the last 6 months. With a market cap of $60 billion, they have a beta of 0.83%, so well below average market volatility. Bank of Montreal is one of the top big banks in Canada, but they do have business all across North America, and in fact are the 8th largest bank in North America by assets. They provide personal and commercial banking, global markets, and investment banking services to more than 12 million customers. They have been serving customers for 205 years, since 1817, and have over $1.1 billion in total assets. More impressively, the company also has a 194-year dividend record, making them the longest-running dividend payout of any company in Canada. And you guys know I love a good dividend, so that is pretty cool to see. Now, their next ex-dividend date is coming up at the end of this month on April 27th.
And that'll have a payment date of May 26th. Now they pay a per share dividend of $1.06 every quarter for a dividend yield of 5.8% with a payout ratio of 55%.
In the last 3 months, corporate insiders have bought $2.5 million worth of shares. Looking down below, we can see the bulk of those came from one of their chairman directors and chief executive officer. And retail investors have been increasing their positions as well. While we have a much smaller percentage of portfolios that hold it, we have seen an over 7% increase here for all investors and a 12% increase in the last 30 days for top investors. BMO's next earnings report is coming out near the end of May. On the 24th, analysts will be anticipating earnings per share of $2.43, fairly in line with the same quarter last year. Looking down below, they did miss a couple quarters similar to JP Morgan, but they've been pretty steady with those earnings. So how did the analysts weigh in on the BMO stock? Well, it also comes in as a strong buy based on 7 buy ratings and 2 holds. The average price target is $109 for an upside potential of 21%. Our most recent rating is from 17 days ago with an upside of 24%, and then they all range around 9 to 32% upside. So there we have 2 strong buy bank stocks, both with attractive dividends and some bullish outlook from analysts. Let me know your thoughts on these 2 companies in the comments down below and some of your other favorite financial sector stocks. Now, please keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are only meant for information and entertainment purposes. Please make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence. If you made it to the end of today's video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and make sure you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.